And we are in Structures 3, and we built a concrete countertop for a desk. That's a scrapbooking desk. We embedded antique bricks, pavers, and small tiles into the concrete. We poured it upside down on plastic, formed it up with 1x4s and a piece of party board across the front side for our curb.
Some of the problems we had, we actually self-consolidated concrete, did a quick concrete mix, countertop mix. Actually was able to get under our bricks, moved our bricks a little bit. So that kind of made the finish off. We were going to do it different too. We would probably try to use a different piece of trim for the front. We had a good piece of trim, and we just couldn't bend it. It ended up breaking. Some of the other things maybe we would try would be, I don't know.
For the reinforcement in here, we have a welded wire mesh cut to this shape, and tied to that we have a number three bar border with cross braces tied to the welded wire. So we have this big mat that we had laid in here on top of these bricks and tiles that we had laid down, which actually ended up being on the bottom since we poured it upside down. So we poured it, reinforced it, and then we built this the bottom part after that. And actually, on the bottom side of this, there's a board, a plywood piece, a 3/4 inch plywood piece that is actually used to screw into the desk. So that attaches everything together.
Also, too, on the finish, we try to use some diamond pads for the grinder